Hello guys, I have moved onto Blackout, so here is how to lockpick quickie in it. You can find lockpicks cheap in merchants, so get a small amount of money out. Now we find dealer, look for the M on the minimap. Once you are there, go to the MISC section and buy them. Now find a place to lockpick. You can lockpick cases, lockers, crates and safes. That locker was already opened, and you can find lockpicks in any of the things I mentioned earlier. To lockpick, you hold A or D until you hear a click, then you hold F. And there it is. Thanks for watching.